Hello, this video is about Hofstede's cultural dimension theory. Here's the definition. Hofstede's cultural dimension theory is a framework for a cross-cultural communication, developed by Geert Hofstede. It describes the effect of a society culture on the values of its members and how these values relate to behavior using a structure derived from factor analysis. Here's the 5 dimensions of culture. Power distance, uncertainty avoidance, individualism collectivism, masculinity femininity, and time orientation. Power distance. It describes how people belonging to a specific culture view power relationship between people. If high, it respect for authority, don't question authority, and unequal distribution is okay. On the other hand, if it's low, this is like more equal distribution of power. Ask question, why? The second one is uncertainty avoidance. It's referring to a lack of tolerance for ambiguity and a need for formal rules and policies. If it's high, it's like rules, no risk. On the other hand, if it's low, it's like more comfortable with unclear situations. It's okay with some ambiguity. The third one is individualism versus collectiveness. It's expressed the extent to which the loyalty of individuals lies with themselves first, or whatever their individual loyalty lies first with the group they belong to. Individualism means like me, collectiveness means like more we. The fourth one is masculinity versus femininity. The extent to which people value the achievement of goals and the importance of status over the process of goals achievement. Masculinity means you live to work, success-driven and fixed roles. Like for the example, doctor must a man, not a woman. A man should work and a woman stay at home taking care for children. On the other hand, femininity means balanced life. You work to life, open roles. For the example, it's okay if a woman can be a doctor and work for herself. The next one is, and also the last one is time orientation. It's like long-term versus short-term orientation. Long-term orientation is when you are focused on the future. Short-term orientation is when you are more focused on the present and consider it more important than the future. Thank you for watching this video.